Hi everyone, Manpreet here. I'm a trainer at EFOS. Today I'll be taking you through the journey of computers. We here at EFOS teach the IT skills. Before actually going into tech, I want to tell you these topics. Introduction to computer. What is computer? Why computer is a necessity in today's scenario? What is the need of computer training? So basically we all know what is computer, we have used computer, but we actually don't know why we need a computer in today's scenario. Computer is a necessity of every field these days. Whether we go to any job, we have to do a work on a computer. So if you are in a retail job, if you are in a sales job, if you are in the IT job, if you are in a hospital job also, you have to know about the computer because ultimately everything you have to update on the computer. So what we do on a computer is basically used to update the data, to store our data. So ultimately data is the hero of computer. So computer, we all know it is an electronic device which is used to store the data. That is a basic thing. In depth we'll go. Computer is a necessity because computer is used everywhere. Let's take an example of a bank. Before 10 years क्या होता था in a banks, everything was managed in a paper. Paperwork was there, but the plus point was that the number of customers were very less. It was easy to manage the data. कोई customer आता था, उसका account खुलता था. It was very easy for that. But now the scenario has changed. The number of customers are huge. It is not that easy to manage the data on a paper. Suppose you are going to the bank and you want the data of 3 years back. What customer will do? What a bank will do? It will find the files 3 years back. Is it easy to find a file of a 3 years back in a paper? It's not that easy. So एक चीज़ और होती थी कि by chance कुछ भी natural calamities can come. In case of earthquakes, in case of fire, the data gets lost. It was damaged, but now the data can be recovered in a computer file. When a customer comes, if you want to see your details of 3 years back, you just come to the concerned person, he will ask your name and he will tell you all the details. If you don't want to go to the bank, you just log in from the internet with your login banking details and you can go for any details. You can transfer the data, you can transfer the money. At the same time, you can edit your data, whatever you can do with that bank details. Now that is the beauty of computers. So now I'll tell you why we need a computer training. As we have seen that whenever we are applying the job, we see there are only two conditions. One is communication skills and the other is computer proficiency or computer literacy. So it means that if you want to go into corporate culture, you need to be aware of the computer. That is why we here at EFOS train you in a computer. So in that we are going to cover these things. MS Word. MS Word is very important. It is a Microsoft Word through which we have to create the documents. MS PowerPoint. PowerPoint through we make the presentations. When we will go into corporate culture, we need to give the presentations to our clients, to our office people. Another session will be on the internet and email etiquettes. Why we need this? As we are going to work in MNCs. MNC means that we have a different branches at different locations. It can be inside India or outside India also. So we have to communicate with our colleagues, which are might be you are in India and that colleague is in UK and he needs some material from you, some documents from you. So how you will provide that? Through the internet. So we should know how to use internet and we should also know email etiquettes because being professional, email is a written communication and written communication needs some etiquette and it can easily be misunderstood. Another session will be on HTML. HTML is a hypertext markup language. We need to learn it because we should know how our web pages are working and how they are created. So our next session will be based on this. Thank you and have a nice day.